to know how to get the private servers in Roblox to play with your friends. Some games are required community and lot of players or friends to play together. There are two options, either you have your own private servers or you must be able to join the other empty servers in Roblox. But sometimes servers are full of player due to limit count of the games. It's frustrating. But most of the time, Roblox don't show the accurate or live data for the players' availability in the game servers. Here if we look, game server is full of the players. No one can join the server until some player is not living the game. Lot of servers are available and if we join one of them, server is showing continue on waiting state or trying to join the game, but in reality, Roblox is trying to fitting the player in one of the servers. It's frustrating and players are getting annoyed due to non-availability of empty server. Let's try to join the other server as here I am not able to see any empty server. I am trying my luck. To solve this problem and not to waste my time, I have installed a Chrome extension which provide the free promo codes as well as feature to find empty servers to play with your friends. Let's see the magic. Enable this feature in Chrome. I have already opened the Bloxburg Roblox game. Where am I looking the empty server? Now this plugin will show the list of empty servers for the Bloxburg Roblox game. It takes some time to fetch the live data. After this, I can join any empty server by just pressing the join button. This extension also shows the list of count of player in every server room. The best part is, this extension will show only those empty server where space is available for the new player. See, I am able to join the game. Wherever in just 2 minutes back, I was struggling to join any servers to play this game. Great feature and great Chrome extension. Let us try more and joining the other empty server. So, if I say Roblox is not managing the live data or not showing the empty server on the top and players are not able to join the server wherever empty servers are available in the game, but this extension is solving all three problems, that would be not wrong. There is no reason to uninstall the Metablix extension. This will be useful all the time when we want to look the latest promo code available in the market for Roblox games as well as wants to look the empty server availability for specific games. Even this feature can be enable and disable in the browse at any time by selecting and unselecting the Chrome extensions. Now tutorial is end. If you find the tutorial is helpful, please consider to subscribe the channel. Keep liking and commenting on video. Thank you for watching.